lot of people will tell you to brace your core when you exercise or lift something heavy, but they will never tell you how to create this brace. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a strong brace that will protect your lower back. This strategy is used by athletes at the highest level, and we can learn how to apply this to a lot of different movements and exercises. When I talk about the core, it consists of several muscles. Your diaphragm on top, your pelvic floor on the bottom, the abdominal muscles that wrap all the way around to the spine, and several deep postural spinal muscles. Think of this area as a pop can, and we create stability by putting pressure out against the pop can in all directions. This is called intra-abdominal pressure. By creating intra-abdominal pressure, it allows us a solid foundation so we can maintain a neutral spine position and allow our shoulders and hips to move independently of our spine. I'm going to show you a few examples of beginning exercises to help you learn this concept, and once you've learned this concept, you can apply this to many other exercises such as dead bug, bird dog, curl up, squat, deadlift, overhead press, planks, loaded carries, and a lot more. Alright, so you're going to lay flat on your back with your knees bent, feet propped up, head in a relaxed position, and what we're going to do from this position is we're just going to breathe into the belly. So as we inhale, we want to expand and push our belly out in all directions of that cylinder, so not just forward but also to the sides as well. We're just going to breathe in this position, keeping everything else as relaxed as we can. And so next we're going to teach her how to do what's called a maximal brace. So that point of inhale where her belly is pushed out as far as we can, we want to get her to that point, and then we're going to squeeze as hard as we can like someone's going to punch us in the stomach. So go ahead, relax. So push the belly out. Now squeeze like I'm going to punch you in the stomach. Good, and relax. Good, one more time, same thing. Push the belly out, squeeze like I'm going to punch you in the stomach, and relax. So that is a bracing style used for heavy lifts, something that's going to last, 5 to 10 seconds, that we can hold our breath and create a lot of pressure and stability for our low back, but it's not all that functional because it's not something we can do for an extended period of time. So now we're going to teach her how to do a submaximal brace. So a submaximal brace, we're going to push our belly out to about 70–80% of its maximum, and then we're going to hold that pressure in the belly as long as we can. And as we get good at this, we'll be able to breathe really shallow from our diaphragm while keeping pressure in the belly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give her a light weight that she's going to hold on her belly. And then we're going to have her push her belly out and expand and hold that pressure as long as she can. So normally starting out, people can do this 20–30 seconds. As we get good at this, we should be able to hold this pressure for a very long time. So once we get good at that skill, we can apply that to almost any exercise we want to do, whether it's dead bug, bird dog, planks, squats, deadlifts, overhead presses, really anything we can think of, we can apply this concept to. And this is going to help us keep our low back in a stable, braced position. So if you have any pain with certain activities, we can try applying this brace to it and see if it makes any changes.